Hi there, today we're going to talk about tech information and how to make the best video about it. Making a video can be a daunting task, but with the right information, tools, and approach, it can be a fun and rewarding experience. Firstly, it's important to have a clear idea of what you want to cover in your video. Consider the questions that your audience might have and the information they need to know to make an informed decision. Once you have a topic in mind, research it thoroughly to ensure that you have all the necessary information to share. Next, you'll need to choose the right tools for your video. A high-quality camera, microphone, and lighting equipment can make a big difference in the quality of your video. You may also want to consider using a video editing software to edit your footage and add special effects. When it comes to actually making the video, it's important to be engaging your audience. Make sure to include visual aids, such as diagrams or screenshots, to help illustrate your points. You can also use storytelling techniques to keep your audience engaged and interested. Finally, don't forget to promote your video. Share it on social media platforms, email your friends and family, and even reach out to local media outlets to see if they would be interested in publishing it. The more exposure you can give your video, the more likely it is to reach your target audience. In conclusion, making a video about tech information can be a fun and rewarding experience. By having a clear idea of what you want to cover, choosing the right tools, and being engaging with your audience, you can create a video that is informative, entertaining, and valuable to your audience. Thanks for watching.